Morning everybody, it's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. We got up to a very scary surprise this morning. Melanie says, what are those piles in the front yard? I didn't know what she's talking about. So I ran to the door, ran out and had a look, and I told Melanie to get back, take the baby and get back. Usually we have ground squirrels. I don't see any ground squirrel nests, and for comparison the cats are taking care of them. But these are large. Here's my foot. That's a very, very large hole. I don't know, that's about 8 inches round, 6 to 8 inches round, deep and far apart in our front yard. Why in our front yard? So I was rudely awakened at 6 o'clock this morning by a horrible animal screaming in pain, and I ran out, but I couldn't find out what it was. We've accounted for our animals. This one is a bit larger opening, so something has moved in the night into our yard, and I don't know what it is, so I'm going to show you the footprints. Now, I can't tell between coyote and bobcat. I'm not good with identifying footprints. There's a bunch of them here. There's a round paw. Let's see if I can get you a good image. These have been all over the yard recently. Whatever this is has been all over the yard recently. There's a round paw print. There's claw marks at the tips. You can see right here, here. Each one has a claw mark at the tip. I'm not sure what this is. Alright, girly cat's obviously not smart enough to be afraid. I don't know. But there's a very good imprint. Girly cat, you should not be by whatever that is. I don't think it's smart. Whatever it is probably a predator. So I'm looking for a really good footprint. She's looking for loving. Here's a cat print in comparison. Okay, and you can see that her footprint actually is just barely 2 fingers, and this is a good 3 fingers, almost 3 fingers wide. So if anybody can tell me what that is, I'd be happy to know. I have been finding these claw prints out in the sand pile over where I was digging the greenhouse in the past, and but I hope that shows up well on the camera. I'm thinking coyote, but it's relatively small, or bobcat. But either way, we have a problem here, and the stupid cats are playing in the hole. It's definitely not rabbit. That's big, way big, but the cats are going to get themselves eaten. Now that the cats have discovered it, I'm figuring they'll probably go on inside. There they go. Boy, scary. I hope we don't lose a cat. Cats are not the smartest sometimes, are they? So they've destroyed any footprints over here that I was going to find. Not a good thing. But I would think if the cats are not afraid, would it be a predator if the cats are not afraid? I don't know. But you can see the size of that hole compared to the cat. The cat can get in and out of there with ease, no problems at all. So, be happy to hear your thoughts, people. What are these? What is this den in our yard? There's a butterfly. Almost lost his life. What is this big den in our yard? And our animals, and our child even maybe, in danger. And what can I do about it? There's a whole mess of large footprints. There's a very good paw print. The sun is making it hard for me that I see it more clearly. You're in my daylight here. I see it more clearly than you can. Let me see if that helps. Very good paw print from the front part. And there's an image of the pad. What am I doing here? Tell me what you think. What do we have in our front yard making such a huge hole? Well, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Very, very strange thing in our yard. Something moved in the night. Let me know, guys, what do you think? What is it? And what to do about it? Talk to you later.